Cardano price analysis. Cardano ADA trades in a consolidation zone as the price is trailing inside the accumulation zone. ADA is presently trading inside the accumulation zone, and if the price retains this level, it will become a strong support zone. The indicators are also supporting the sideways trend. On my previous ADA trade, we broke out a huge triangle. So wait for a 4-hour close above $1.06. ADA is currently battling resistance. US stimulus checks are coming tomorrow. This might be well purchases that anticipate for a breakout tomorrow. ADA has been on a run for the ages. Unbelievable news today as Coinbase opens up its door to Cardano. ADA has outperformed every token in the crypto sphere for a good reason. It has continued to show strong support and healthy consolidation. It has been able to stay steady when the market sells off. This has the legs and the leadership to go. Cardano has been consolidating in the falling wedge for a while now and is currently at the point of breakout. Currently holding support, should expect an upturn soon. ADA prepares for a 20% lift off. Cardano price shows an increase in bullish momentum as it bounced off the $0.98 level. Transactional data suggests that a decisive close above $1.29 could propel ADA by 15% to $1.48. However, a breakdown of $1.17 could see a 5% retracement to $1.11. Cardano price shows a bullish bias as buyers rescued the altcoin after testing a crucial support level. So we can say Cardano price aims a higher high. Cardano price has been a massive surge in buyers leading to a 20% increase in a single 12-hour candlestick. Now ADA is hovering below a critical support barrier at $1.29, which coincides with the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. A decisive 12-hour candlestick close above $1.29 will set up the stage for bulls to propel Cardano price higher. In such a case, a 15% upswing to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $1.48 is the most likely outcome. Interestingly, into the blocks in out of the money around price, IOMAP model also shows small clusters of underwater investors up to $1.29. Roughly 67,000 addresses purchased 1.2 billion ADA between $1.24 to $1.29 price range. While $1.48 is the first target, a spike in bullish momentum here could see the so-called Ethereum killer surge another 20% to a new all-time high of $1.78. This bull rally will bring Cardano one step closer to hitting its intended target at $2. This will complete the altcoin's massive inverse head and shoulder pattern on the weekly chart. On the other side, if ADA's support barrier at $1.17 coinciding with the 3.6% Fibonacci retracement level is breached, then a 5% correction to $1.1 seems plausible.